You know, the problem is I'm getting the light from behind.
I know it is not coming correctly.
We are young at heart, postmates, and very young at heart and graceful ladies.
Speaker.
Okay.
Mic.
Closer, closer.
At the outside, a very grateful thanks to dear Rajiv, making all the arrangements and very ably supported also by Ashok Agrawal and HP. Okay, so meticulously organizing everything and getting us all together here for our post-milestone Diamond Jubilee celebration. Our grateful thanks also to A.M. Gurunathan.
Listen.
Yeah, please give him a good hand. A.M. Gurunathan for all his help for this complete trip, including our visit to the staff college today. In fact, he had organized everything and suggested this place. Time show flies. Fast forward 10 wonderful years when a lot of us got together at Kosabi. We came for a short while because we had other precautions. That was on 16th May 2015, so 10 years back. From our 70s, we all jumped on to 80s now. Okay, and everyone is still looking the same as young as ever.
Yeah.
And full of energy. And now with a couple of drinks down, okay, your knees would have got partially lubricated, I'm sure. Okay, in preparation for the further dance. Yeah, and to display your swinging moves. And now I propose 4 toasts more so that you can get everybody on the floor. And the first toast is to seek the blessings of the Almighty, who has got us all here together on this occasion today. And I'd like to quote a few words from a very famous late poet, Nida Fazil ji. वो कहते हैं, कभी किसी को मुकम्मल जहां नहीं मिलता, कभी किसी को मुकम्मल जहां नहीं मिलता, कभी किसी को मुकम्मल जहां नहीं मिलता, कहीं जमीन तो कहीं आसमान नहीं मिलता. With due respects to this most famous poet, I feel this does not apply to our postmates. Now, our postmates are all dedicated air warriors. They did so well in the Air Force, and later on we joined Civil Airlines. All the challenging life, all the, they did, and along with their, of course, the lovely partners. And अब मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ कि हमने सब आसमान भी छू लिया था, ओके, और अब जमीन पे हम यहाँ आके इतना बढ़िया यहाँ पे एंजॉय कर रहे हैं और सेलिब्रेशन. तो मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ, मुकम्मल जहां तो मिल ही गया है, और क्या चाहिए आपको? So that's the first cheers. The second toast I like to propose is for our dear country, and of course the Indian Air Force, who has given us everything and over the years nurtured us and put us on a very strong footing to face the world and any challenges. So cheers to the Indian Air Force. Third toast, I again like to quote the next few lines from the famous poet Nida Fazil ji, कि कभी किसी को मुकम्मल जहां नहीं मिलता. वो कहते बुझा सका है कभी वक्त के शोले, कोई बुझा सका वक्त के शोले. मैं इसके ऊपर भी उनसे नहीं मानता, क्योंकि I dedicate this totally to the ladies. You seen them all dancing and these young beautiful ladies. कौन कहता है इनको वक्त के शोले लगे हैं भाई? मेरे को ये बता दीजिए. So in addition, all the young ladies have kept a very good track of all of us, especially those who try to detour. जब ferries पे जाते थे ना, they try to detour via Bangkok. Okay, so cheers to all the young ladies here. And the fourth toast is for all the organizers. Okay, Rajiv. and of course Ashok Ikpi, Rajiv in the lead, okay, and who worked painstakingly to organize this wonderful get-together. And I think he certainly deserves a standing ovation. So let us all
Yeah.
please stand.
Cheers.
Cheers to
Next year you can all that.
Hooray! Hooray!
This is a most beautiful moment, and we also like to thank the management here. And I'm sure with your, before we, review the indicated and we get onto the dance floor, and with the very versatile ladies, with Roma always in the lead. Okay, and they've always kept us dancing to their tunes.
All their life. All our life.
Am I correct in saying that?
To our tunes.
To their tunes.
To all the tunes of the young ladies.
All the
best to
right
you.
tunes.
Happy years ahead, and enjoy getting more and more, young over the years ahead. Thank you. Thank you.
Well done, sir. Well done. Thank you.
Thank you, Narendra, for saying so many good words. HP and Ashok have been always with me, and they have helped me. I'll just, after this, announce tomorrow's program. At 10 o'clock, we have the group photograph at the ground floor, and 10:30 onwards, and the present dining hall, we have the folk dances, which will be about an hour or so program. There are 3 folk dances. Folk dancers will be start arriving at about 10 o'clock, and after that we'll have lunch there. Now, in case anybody wants to plan out, please inform us in advance, so the lunch is accordingly adjusted. And in the evening is the normal program. That is also on the second floor. We get the dining hall vacated for music and dance and drinks.
And would you like to go for shopping?
Yeah, you can go after about before lunch or after lunch or any time.
What time is the evening program?
Evening program starts at 8 o'clock.
Dress code here? 8 o'clock. Dress code for group photography.
तो जलता है दिल बड़ी मुश्किलों से दिल संभलता है दिल क्या क्या
I don't use this gadgets only for receiving it.
ये दिल बेकरार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना ओ हमें तुमसे
Yeah.
Naughty girl.
Mandira, all well? All well, na?
Shall I take your video? Good.
छोड़ो SEO देखो बैठ जा
थोड़ा रोशनी में आ जाओ इधर रोशनी
There is a hole in the bucket. There is a hole in the bucket. My dear Liza, dear Liza.
Dear Henry, fix it, dear Henry, fix it.
Dear Liza, dear Liza. How shall I fix it? How shall I fix it? It's a big hole.
Dear Henry, fix it with a straw. Fix it with a straw, dear Henry.
Dear Liza, dear Liza. Dear, where shall I get my straw? Where shall I get a straw?
Papa is here, dear Henry. Straw is here. Fix it.
straw is too long. The straw is too long.
Cut it, Henry.
How
Cut
do I
it.
cut it? How do I cut it?
Cut it with an X, dear Henry. Cut it with an X. X.
Dear Liza, dear Liza. X is too blunt.
Sharpen it. Sharpen it, dear Henry. Sharpen it.
Liza, dear Liza. How can I sharpen it?
Sharpen it with a stone, dear Henry. Sharpen it with a stone. Here is stone.
Dear Liza, dear Liza. The stone is too dry. The stone is too dry.
Wet it with water, dear Henry. Wet it with water.
Dear Liza, dear Liza.
Get water in a bucket, dear Henry. Get water in a bucket. My doggy name was Liza.
Like my son and his family would join us after we finish our gathering and book in Wellington for 3-4 days. So, इसलिए, but then they came up with their own जैसे पापा नहीं हम नहीं आ सकते आ गया कि खाली है
आज खाली से अंदर बढ़ते सारे पार
Oh dear, doctor, can you feel my blood?
Very good. Very good.
एक हमारे हाउसमेट को कि अपनी जवानी और इतने तंदुरुस्ती का कुछ राज बता दो। तो वो कहते हैं उम्र कहती है कुछ संजीदा हो जाऊं, उम्र कहती है कुछ संजीदा मतलब सोबर हो जाऊं, लेकिन दिल कहता है कुछ नादानियां और सही, मस्ती और सही। मैं समझ गया कि 80 साल के भी हो गए हैं, लेकिन अभी इनकी बिगड़ने की उम्र और बहुत है और सुधरने का स्कोप नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं है। तो मैं इसलिए आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द लेडीज, प्लीज कीप अ ट्रैक ऑन ऑल दी जेंटलमैन, ये कहाँ जा रहे हैं। एंड इफ यू डोंट नो हाउ टू कीप अ ट्रैक, एक राजीव ने एक बड़ी अच्छी किताब लिखी है नेविगेशन पे, GPS system and all that, and you can use that knowledge to keep a track of your husbands also. All the best, enjoy your drink.
सरोज, it's not for you. अक्सर लोगों को भूलने की बीमारी हो जाती है, कोई अपना पर्स छोड़ाता है, कोई कुछ छोड़ाता है। तो एक आदमी एक साहूकार के पास गया, उसने कहा मुझे कोई नौकरी दे दो। तो उसने कहा चल ठीक है, तू मेरे जानवरों को चराया कर। तो उसने देखा उसके जानवर ऊंट, अब उसको नाम भी नहीं पता था इस जानवर का क्या नाम है, तो वो चराने ले गया। तो गया तो उसको नींद आ गई, जब उठा तो सारे ऊँट गए और ऊँटों ने वहाँ पे लीव कर रखी थी। नाउ ही डिडंट नो इन जानवरों का क्या नाम है, ना उसे पता था कि मालिक का क्या नाम है। तो उसने बड़ा सोच के, कोई जा रहा था, उसने कहा सुनो, उनसे ये कह देना जिनके हैं हम, उनके वो खो गए हैं जिनकी है ये।
Baby boy, this made my dad my little baby then became my brother-in-law to Janet, and so became my uncle, though it made me very sad. For if he were my uncle, that also made him my brother. Out of the widow's Rona daughter, who of course was my stepmother. Their father's wife then had a son who kept them on the run, and he became my grandchild, for he was my daughter's son. My wife is now my mother's mother, makes me very blue, because although she's my wife, she's also my grandmother too. And now my wife is my grandmother, then I'm her grandchild. And every time I think of it, it nearly drives me wild. For now I have become the strangest case you ever saw. As husband of my grandmother, I am my own grandpa. I'm my own grandpa. Okay, Hello, can everybody hear me? Yes, we can hear.
Quiet, please.
Can everybody hear me? Yes. I think I can say louder without the mic. No. But you can add me. Okay.
Bring it close to your mouth.
This was a song which I used to sing as a little child, and it's a fun song. I don't think I could remember all the lyrics, so I was trying very hard to look up in the YouTube if I could find the words. I have found them, but I hope I can sing it and you enjoy the song.
Volume.
Volume come kar, Papa Jai. Many years ago when I was 23, I was married to a widow who was pretty as could be. This widow had a grown-up daughter who had hair of red. My father fell in love with her and soon the two were wed. This made my dad my son-in-law and changed my very life. My daughter became my mother, cause she was my father's wife. To complicate the matter, even though it brought me joy, I soon became a father to a bouncing baby boy. I'm my own grandpa. Wait, let me find the rest of the words. Does anybody know? Come. Daddy, come. Come. Daddy, come. Now I know. जाती है जब उठ के जाते हो तुमको अपनी कसम जाने जा, तुमको अपनी कसम जाने जा, बात इतनी मेरी मान लो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आए मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे, हाय मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे, ऐसी बातें किया ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो।
में क्यों गा रहे थे?
किसी को पसंद ना करके आ जाइए, मेरे को बेटर हो रहा है।
vibrant story of DSSC is a pristine saga of rich heritage as a premier training institution of our country today. Having achieved international recognition as a provenance of military academic excellence. The insignia of this magnificent institution is a somber-looking owl, emblazoned in gold with piercing eyes, and perched at a vantage point on crossed swords. And the motto is, Yuddham Pratnik, or to war with wisdom. The indomitable spirit and ardent efforts of the initial team ensured that the first course commenced in April 1948 with 50 student officers from Army, Navy and Air Force. The college is a repository of military academic excellence, manifest on twin pillars of ethical leadership. The vision of the college aptly reflects the all-round development of the stakeholders for the future. The growth of the college in the following decades was manifold and saw an astounding array of infrastructure projects. The establishment, under the aegis of then Major General Manekshaw, MC, was invigorated and brought in tune with modern thought and spirit. The training philosophy of DSSE is founded on the principles of jointmanship, innovative thinking, peer learning, and intellectual application towards a prudent decision-making process. The college aims to achieve holistic development of every officer through ethical leadership and high standards of social values. The vast scope of the interdisciplinary field of defense and strategic studies necessitates that the students be exposed to all elements of national power and modern warfare. Every theoretical pillar, coupled with its practical application, helps enlighten the discerning student officer to the nuances of modern warfare. To add intellectual vigor and the civilian domain are invited to deliver lectures to the students on diverse topics such as geopolitics, sociopolitics, economics, science and technology, and international relations. The course conducts various tours to keep officers abreast of the cutting-edge solutions being deployed on the field, so they are better equipped to think ahead. The tours assist assimilating classroom lessons by demonstrated success in the field. Apart from the industrial demonstration tour, the course includes a visit to the Andaman and Nicobar Command, ANC, the first joint command of the Indian Armed Forces. The tour provides the officers a deeper insight into the capability of this joint command, be it through the structures, procedures, or operations. Another key component of the course is the Forward Area Tour, which is planned to familiarize naval, air force, civilian, and international student officers with terrain and operational profile of selected border areas. The tour provides rare glimpses of breathtaking beauty, of life in inhospitable frontiers, and the indomitable spirit of the Indian soldier standing guard on these frigid front lines. Life at DSSE is a multifaceted voyage encompassing a balanced amalgamation of academic excellence, sports, adventure, dramatics set in vibrant milieu of ethnicities and nationalities. Life is colorful in the Wellington campus, with plenty to learn for every man, woman, and child. The history of the Defence Services Staff College is emblazoned with myriad distinctions, a few of which accentuate its prominence as college extraordinaire. DSSE was awarded the Golden Peacock National Training Award in 2016. The prestigious institution has a rare distinction of being one of the few organizations in India to be certified for both international standards, ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. 9th September 2016 was a red-letter day in the history of DSSE when it was bestowed with the President's Colours by Shri Pranab Mukherjee, the Honourable President of India, in recognition of exceptional service to the nation as a flagship tri-service training institution. Thanks to the staff college that matures a discerning officer to include well-imbibed social graces, professional sophistication, and a value system in conformity with noble Indian traditions and culture. In doing so, DSSE advances the core values of duty, honor, and country.
Very nice, very nice.
ਨੌਕਰਾਂ ਵਾਂਗ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹੱਸ ਕੇ ਬੁਲਾਵੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸ਼ੁਗਰ ਤੇ ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਜੰਮੂ ਹੱਸ ਕੇ ਬੁਲਾਵੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਰੋਟੀ ਟੁੱਕ ਜਾਣੇ ਉਹ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਮਾਏ ਮੇਰੀਏ ਜੇ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਵੇ ਆਉਣਾ ਮਾਏ ਮੇਰੀਏ ਜੇ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਵੇ ਆਉਣਾ ਮਾਏ ਮੇਰੀਏ ਜੇ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ
उठाओ जाम चलो दोनों साथ साथ पिए दोनों साथ साथ पिए तमाम रात पिए तमाम रात पिए उठाओ जाम चलो दोनों साथ साथ पिए दोनों साथ साथ पिए इधर नजर उधर मद भरी नजर का नशा इधर शराब उधर मद भरी नजर का नशा मिले जो दोनों तो हो जाए उम्र भर का नशा मिले जो दोनों तो हो जाए उम्र भर का नशा ऐसे खामोश न हो हाय मदहोश न हो उठाओ जाम चलो दोनों साथ साथ पिए दोनों साथ साथ पिए
और मैं क्या बारी बसी खटन गया सी
वो की खट के ले आंदा
वो खट के ले आंदा काला और नहीं हो रॉन्ग हो गया सुहाग की रात थी वो घूंघट उठा के बोले कोई तो बोले क्या बोले
आप बताओ क्या बोले
वो बोले
पूछो ना।
क्या बोले
सुहाग की रात थी वो घूंघट उठा के बोले
क्या बोले
गंडेरी खाओगे
नहीं नहीं इधर देख भी ना
में क्या था 50 now 60 70 80
कल सुबह नूं यार पता नहीं की होना है पी ले खा ले ऐश डाले पी ले खा ले ऐश डाले मौज मस्तियां मार पता पता नहीं की होना है, कल सुबह नू यार पता नहीं की होना है। रब सोने ने दित्ती तैनू जी लई जिंदगानी, जी लई जिंदगानी। प्यार मोहब्बत बिना दोस्ता कादे कम जवानी, कादे कम जवानी। आ सब झगड़े चेड़े भुल के रज रज करिए प्यार पता नहीं की होना है, कल सुबह नू यार पता नहीं की होना है। खुशियों दे विच खीवे हो के
गाना सुनो, गाना सुनो, गाना सुनो
हसीए नचिए गाइए। आजा यारा भुल्ले वांगू हंस के ना नच के यार मनाइए, नच के यार मनाइए। कर्म नाल मिले ने सानू जीवन दे दिन चार पता नहीं की होना है, कल सुबह नू यार पता नहीं की होना है। अजकल बंदा सब कुछ भुल के पैसे पीछे पै गया, पैसे पीछे पै गया। पैसा पैसा करदा बंदा पैसे का ना रह गया, पैसे का ना रह गया। छड़ परा सब चिंता चोरे उलझा दुनियादारी, बहुते लोकां नूं तां दुनियादारी जांदी मारी। सोनिया सजना फिर न
हूँ मैं भी दिल वो गवारा, जिसके लिए लगे दिल की लगन।
मेरी तरह कर देंगे।